Collision Mitigation System, Junction Turning. For detection in junction turning, the vehicle driving speed must be between 10 to 30 km per hour, and oncoming vehicle should be clearly visible and moving in the speed range of 30 km per hour to 70 km per hour. For automatic emergency braking to function, the approaching vehicle must be within system detection range, and your vehicle must be in left lane and making a right turn with the right turn indicator on. After successful completion of the braking, automatic emergency braking completed, pop-up message will be displayed.